Hello, my name is Mr. Rollins, and I am one of the instructors for investigative biology at Vanwart High School. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our class today. Um, investigative biology is the study of living things. So I'm going to share with you our state standards so you can see that real quick. I'm going to put this up on the screen here. And let me go up a page here. So this is the concepts that we teach based on the standards set by the Ohio Department of Education. So we have four strands that we focus on in biology. They are heredity, where we study cellular genetics, structures and function in DNA, genetic mechanisms and inheritance, mutations, things happening in modern genetics. There's a section on evolution where we study natural selection, also mutations, genetic drift, gene flow, and sexual selection, as well as speciation. The third strand we study is diversity and interdependence of life. We study genetic diversity, species diversity, equilibrium, and carrying capacities. Loss of diversity due to climate change, extinction, invasive species, and we also have a section on cells where we will study the cell structure and function and cellular processes that occur inside of cells. And we primarily focus on human cells and learn about how our cells work. So that's from our state standards, just to give you an idea of what are the four areas that we focus on. We do project-based learning, so we're going to be doing several projects throughout the year. We will be doing an insect and a leaf collection to help study diversity and interdependence of life. And we'll learn about taxonomy, why that's important, and how scientists go about classifying different living things. So those are actually some projects we're starting the year off with, and your students should be actively engaged in collecting insects now. We're going to be doing leaves very soon, and then that will take place in the first 9 weeks. We then switch over into cells in the second 9 weeks. Third 9 weeks, we do genetics. And the fourth 9 weeks, we get into evolution. So those are the four strands in which we'll be studying. We usually do a dissection series to learn about anatomy and do some comparative anatomy with a couple of different organisms. And that's something that will take place usually towards the end of the year. Students in this class have to take a state test for biology in order to get points towards graduation. So that's something we try to prepare them for. And those are the main topics that we'll cover through the course of the year. So just to give you a little bit of an overview, we've had a very good start to the school year so far, and I'm hoping that that continues. If you have any questions, my cell phone number is 419-203-0266. That's my personal cell phone. Feel free to call me or text me. You can also get me at the school. You can call the school's office, or you can email me. My email and all the teachers' email are our first letter of our first name, underscore, and then our last name at vwcs.net. So mine is C_Rollins at vwcs.net. And that's also a good way to contact me. So looking forward to having a great year, and hope to see you or hear from you as the year progresses. And that's a little bit about our class.